Saudi.
He is working in Saudi.
He is working in Saudi.
What is your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Government Higher Secondary School in Thirumargal.
Where is it located?
In Thirumargal.
It is located in Thirumargal.
It is located in.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend at school, her name is
Yes. Yeah.
Priyadashini.
Why do you like her?
Um,
I like her because you can start that way. I like her.
I like her because she is very supporting me, and I also like drawing, and she also like drawing, so made for.
She also liked the drawing, right? You have to say likes or liked. You cannot say she liked. Why do you like her? Again, why do you like her? Why do you like her? I like her because
I liked her because she is supporting for me and supporting me. And I also like the drawing, and she is also like the drawing, so
also like drawing.
she is my best friend.
She was supporting me in Solana, past right? Why do you like her? I like her because she was supporting me. She was very supportive. She liked the drawing. I also liked the drawing. So I liked her. So ellame past tense சொல்லணும் ஏன்னா முடிஞ்சு போன ஒரு விஷயம். What is she doing now? இப்போ என்னோட question. What is she doing now?
She is doing BNYS.
What is BNYS?
It's naturopathy and yoga classes.
It's a naturopathy and yoga course. Where is the course conducted? Where is the course conducted? Where is the course?
From the college. The course is college.
Where is it?
In Nagapattinam.
It is in Nagapattinam. Okay, எதையும் மிஸ் பண்ண கூடாது. Who is your best friend at college?
My best friend at college is Abhinaya.
Why do you like her?
Both our mindset is equal now, so I like.
Both mindsets are equal. அப்ப ரெண்டு mindset வந்துருச்சா? Both of our mindsets are equal. Okay. Okay. Both of our mindsets are equal. Very good. What is the name of your father?
Sir?
What is the name of your father?
My father name is M. Raja.
Okay, father's name is M. Raja. What's the name of your mother?
My mother name is R. Malavini.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
What is the age of your brother?
My brother age is 16 years old.
What is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject at school is physics.
Why did you like physics?
Because I love my physics teacher, so I like her teaching style. So I like the subject very well.
What is the subject you did not like in the school?
Sir?
What is the subject you did not like in the school?
Every subject I like, sir.
Very good, very good. What is the subject you liked at the college level?
And my major in college is physics, so I also like in physics, sir.
You were liking physics. I also liked physics. So you make sure you have a structure, okay? Supporting verb missile. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are like drawing.
Are you still drawing?
Yes, sir. When
did you draw last?
I draw last in 3 weeks ago.
You drew last. You drew last three weeks ago. You drew last 3 weeks ago. Proposal போட வேண்டியல. Do you like movies?
Yes, sir. I like movies.
Who is your favorite actor or actress?
My favorite actor is Vijay, sir.
Why do you like his acting?
I love her acting, sir.
You like his movies. What is your most favorite movie of him?
Sir?
What is your most favorite movie of him? Which movie you like most?
Sir.
All right. Who is your favorite music director?
My favorite music director is G.V. Prakash, sir.
Do you like his music?
I love her melody songs.
Love his melody songs. Very good. Very good. What do you want to do as a first job? What do you want to do as a first job?
Sir, I can't understand, sir.
What do you want to do as a first job? உங்க முதல் ஜாப் என்னவா இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க?
Sir, I like to government jobs, sir. So, but I'm getting job in IT field, sir.
You are getting or you already got?
Yes, sir. I already got job in IT field.
An IT job. Are you going to the IT job now?
No, sir. I'm waiting for the mail.
You are waiting for what?
Mail, sir.
Mail on what? What mail? Email you are waiting for? To play from the IT company, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the name of the IT company?
TCS. The name of the IT company is TCS.
What is your favorite place of work? Which place you want to work?
Sir, I want to work with Chennai, sir.
Why do you like that place?
Because a lot of companies are there.
Lot of companies. Very good, very good. See, make it simple like a lot of companies are there, IT companies are there. I want to go there and work. That's all. Right. What's your most favorite breakfast?
My most favorite breakfast is Pongal.
Why do you like that breakfast?
Sir?
Why do you like that breakfast?
In my childhood, I like her.
I like, you start with the subject. I like it from my childhood. I like it since childhood. Okay. What breakfast do you not like it? You guys, you should know all this. It's all about yourself. No one is going to answer for you. What breakfast do you not like? Some upma or something, or what breakfast do you not like it?
Upma, sir, and goduma wheat dosa.
That's all. Why don't you like that dish?
Sir?
Why don't you like that dish? Why don't you like upma?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know the reason. Okay.
I don't like it, sir.
Yeah. What's your favorite dinner item? What's your favorite dinner? Simple question.
Dosa. My favorite dinner is dosa.
Dosa. Why do you like it?
Sir, every day I eat dosa, so I like it.
Dosa. What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Wow, why do you like it?
Because it cookless very tasty. So
yeah, can you repeat? Why do you like it?
The carrot is not cooked to eat.
The raw carrot itself is good. Raw carrot. You mean you can take it without cooking. You can take that without, that's what you mean, is it?
Yes, sir.
All right. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is orange
Why do you like it?
because it is tasty for me and I like it very much
Tasty.
to other.
Tasty. It is tasty. உங்களோட டேஸ்ட்க்கு அது ஒத்து வருது அவ்வளவுதான். ஃபார்மி எல்லாம் போட வேணாம். It is tasty. It is sweet.
Is
So you can do that way. Which place do you want to travel?
Chennai also, sir.
I want to travel Chennai. Why do you want to travel Chennai?
Because I can't go there, so I can't win there.
Can you repeat? Why do you want to travel to Chennai?
Because I can't went to the Chennai, sir.
You can't went எல்லாம் வராது. So you want to go there. Have you been to Chennai?
Sir,
Have you been to Chennai? Have you been to Chennai? நீங்க சென்னைக்கு போயிருக்கீங்களா?
no, sir. I have not been to Chennai.
You have not been to Chennai. Okay. TCS company came. Where did they come and select you? எங்க recruit பண்ணாங்க?
For my approaches my college, I selected in placement, sir.
I was selected. பாத்தீங்களா?
I was selected.
அப்படியே மாறிடுச்சு பாருங்க. I selected நீங்க செலக்ட் பண்ண மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. உங்களை செலக்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்படியே மாத்திடுச்சு பாத்தீங்களா? Oh, okay. What is the name of your UG college?
My UG college name is EGS Pillai Arts and Science College in Nagapattinam.
It is located in Nagapattinam. Very good. Last few questions. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why do you like that color?
Because that color is peaceful for my mind.
Peaceful
Relaxation.
to my mind. Peaceful to my mind, not for two. Who is your favorite sports person?
Sir, tell me the question, sir.
Who is your favorite sports person? Sportsman, sportswoman. Who is your favorite sports person? உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச விளையாட்டு வீரர் யார்?
I don't interest to sports,
I am
sir.
not interested. அழகா சொல்லுங்க. I am not
I'm not interested to sports, sir, but I like.
I am not interested in sports. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. I am not interested.
But,
You don't like sports, is it?
yes, sir.
I am not interested in sports. அவ்வளவுதான். ஒரு கைத்தட்டல் கொடுத்துருங்க. வெரி குட் வெரி குட் வெரி குட் வெரி குட் வெரி குட். எதுக்காக நான் ஒரு டெமோ பண்ண சொன்னேன்னா உங்களுக்கு இந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கொடுத்துருந்தேன். ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 40-50 கொஸ்டின் உங்களை பத்தி உங்களுக்கு தான் ஆன்சர் தெரியணும், தெளிவா இருக்கணும். டின்னர் ஐட்டம்னா இதான் எனக்கு பிடிக்கும், பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் நமக்கு எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சதுதான். நிறைய பேர் சொல்றதுக்கு விரும்ப மாட்டாங்க. பேசணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா இது வந்து பண்ணணும். இப்ப பாருங்க, லுக் அட் திஸ், கனெக்ட் பண்றேன் நானு. இதுல வந்து இந்த இதை வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புறேன், ஷேர் பண்றேன். நீங்க வந்து எப்படி வேணாலும் பேசி நீங்க பண்ணலாம். இதுல வந்து யூ கேன் ஆக்சுவலி டாக். லுக் அட் தட். ஒரு டிபிக்கல் ஆன்சரும் நான் வச்சிருக்கேன். ஒரு இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும்னு. இப்ப புவனேஸ்வருக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த செஷன் போனதுனால கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். நிறைய பேருக்கு புதுசா இருக்கிறதுனால இப்படி நான் கொண்டு வரேன். லுக் அட் திஸ். அபிராமி மேம், நான் உங்களை வந்து பிக் பண்றதுங்க. நீங்க முழு சென்டென்ஸா சொல்லணும் இதை. ஆல்ரைட், முழு சென்டென்ஸா சொல்லணும். அபிராமி மேம்,
எஸ் சார்.
நீங்க அப்படியே கண்டினியூஸா சொல்லிட்டே வரணும். ஆன்சர் மட்டும், கொஸ்டின் வந்து நான் கேட்கிறேன், நீங்க இந்த கொஸ்டினை பண்ணி தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். முழு சென்டென்ஸா இருக்கணும். அந்த முழு சப்ஜெக்ட் அந்த வேர்பு கட்டாயமா இருக்கணும்.
எஸ் சார்.
இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் வேர்பு வச்சு தான் நீங்க உங்களுக்கு டென்ஸ், வாய்ஸ் எல்லாமே நீங்க அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களான்னு தெரியும். இப்ப பாருங்க, வாட்ஸ் யுவர் ஃபுல் நேம்?
My full name is Abhirami Kalyankumar.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I am having siblings.
So I have near Solva. I have siblings. Do you have brother or a sister?
I am having sister.
Is she younger or elder?
She is younger to me.
What is she doing?
She is at home, homemaker.
Homemaker. Are you married?
Yes, sir, I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, only one kid.
Son or a daughter?
Son.
What is his name?
His name is